Hi! In this video you will be taught more letters than the previous clip. Letter D is written by the combination of basic stroke 5 and basic stroke 3 but in double size. After writing the first stroke, you can continue the end of that until you get a number rule to be able to begin the basic stroke 3 on the place it should be. Letter G is the combination of basic strokes 5 and 6. Please note that both of the strokes should be in the same line and parallel with main slope. Letter L starts with basic stroke 8. After turning round on top rule, increase the pressure and decrease it gradually. Somehow we have the highest pressure on the middle of the body. Then finish the end of that like a connecting stroke. As you see here, the end of L is 45 degrees, and to some extent it is parallel with the end of G and D. M is the combination of two basic stroke 2 and a basic stroke 4. Make the end of the strokes flat right on base rule, then add the basic stroke 4. Like letters I and J, letter P starts with a connecting stroke. Then the basic stroke 1 starts between head rule and number rule. Then add basic stroke 4 at the tangent to it. Somehow you can see this space in letter P. Letter Q starts with basic stroke 5. Then start basic stroke 1 and near drop rule, increase the pressure gently to a hairline. Turn round on drop rule and go up and a little before the base rule hit the body. Then add a connecting stroke. For writing R, draw the basic stroke 7 and after turning round above head rule and making a dot like basic stroke 9, come a little below head rule and add basic stroke 3. Again, letter T starts with a connecting stroke, then add the basic stroke 3 in double size like what we did in letter D. The tongue of the letter T is written in 1/3 of the space between number rule and head rule. Letter U starts with a connecting stroke, then write a basic stroke 3 and continue the end of that in parallel with main loop until you get on head rule. Then add the second basic stroke 3 at a tangent to it. V starts with basic stroke 4 and ends with basic stroke 9. The imaginary line that connects these two parts to each other is parallel with the main slope. For writing letter X, at first it is necessary to draw a reverse form of the letter C. So start at 10 o'clock position the pressure starts at 1 o'clock, the highest pressure is on 3, and it finishes at 5 o'clock. Then start a real form of C. Somehow it can cover the thick part of the reverse form of C. It is necessary to consider the curve form of both forms of C.